everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to visit Vakil Mosque in Shiraz.
Here we are at Vakil Mosque. I've never seen like they let us come into a mosque without wearing chador. Chador is a very long scarf that we mostly wear it in the mosque. And you can also see people who prays here. And it's a holy place for Muslim people. But the architecture of here is so stunning. You can see all the details, all the mosaics, which we're going to show you. Some of them include trees. It has a history behind it, and it's just like they're telling a story.
It's really beautiful.
One of the things I realized about the mosaics is that at that dynasty they used yellow, pink and purple a lot. We have another palace in Tehran which is called Golestan Palace. We're going to show you definitely. They're so similar.
Vakil Mosque is also known as one of the most important and beautiful landmarks in Shiraz. It's located near the Bazar Vakil and you can easily access to here. We paid 5,000 tomans for each person to visit here. I think it's different for tourists who come from foreign countries to here. And here you can see a beautiful and big tank at the center of the yard, and at the southern area of this mosque you can see the prayer hall.
See the prayer hall here. With many pillars. Here you can see, we call it member, which is a person who is very respectful for Muslim, with certain kind of knowledge. They go up there and talk about different difficulties in society or any information about Islam. So people can sit here and listen. But there is another thing that I have to mention. When you talk a lot in Iran, they tell you "Bala member naro," don't climb up the member, which is kind of funny. but that's the reason. One of the things I wanted to mention was that, as you can see, it looks like rooms all together, but it used to be a classroom. Many classrooms, and people came here, Islamic gathering. They talked about everything, give each other information. As you can see, there are many places like this here.